I'm tired of making new takes of this video, so whatever happens with this one, this is going to be it. I'm making a tennis data pipeline using Jeff Sackmann's repo, and I'm going to try and build a new feature which is for upset matches. I have already launched my DuckDB session here, and let me just show you the data. It's basically everything, and we're going to focus on where was it? On the winner rank and loser rank column. Yeah, let's see how's that gonna go. First, I'm going to need the winner from the match, and naturally, I will also need the loser. Let's see what's that going to look like. Winner rank, as just winner rank, I guess, and the loser rank as well. Let's see. Okay, so I guess there are nulls. Let's filter that out. What is it now? Referenced column not found in from close. Oh, okay. Nice. So we have, I guess, quality data now. Oh, but maybe the years would be useful as well. Okay, let's take the tournament date. Okay, sure. Now we're going, I think the way to go here is put that into a CTE. Okay, let's format it a little bit. Nice. Oh shit. Select everything from dataset where winner rank is higher. No, we need the guy, we need the player, and we need his rank. Huh? The loser rank? Oh, what am I getting here? Okay, that one is good, but I only want matches where the winner rank is bigger than the loser rank. I don't know why.
5 minutes later.
I think I realized why I'm getting the wrong output here, and I think it's because winner rank and loser rank is actually a string. If I cast it to integer, let's not forget that. If I cast it to integer, I should be getting the correct result, if that's correct. Okay, nice. So that's an upset, and that's basically it. But I want to basically, because an upset in that case would be a guy whose rank is 123 and the other guy is 122, which is not that big of a difference. And I want to add another column where it will calculate the percentage of an upset, essentially. And I'm not sure how big of a percentage of in an upset match is big enough to consider it an upset, but surely that's a big upset, and maybe that's an average one, and that's a big one as well. So I'll need to see, I guess, how would I calculate that? How to calculate percentage of difference between two numbers. Calculate percentage from the difference between two numbers. Use the formula. Percentage is equal to the difference divided by average of the two numbers times 100. Okay, so we need the difference divided by the average. So the average should be, let me divide winner rank plus loser rank. We need the whole result. Let me put that here as a string. We need the whole result, and then we divide by 2. I guess that's the average. And finally, we should put that in brackets and multiply by 100. Maybe something like that, I guess, as upset percentage. What do you mean? As. Wait. I think it's because of the brackets would be like that. Okay, let's try that. Okay, apparently not. What am I missing? This. I need those. Okay, let's try something simpler. Winner rank minus loser rank. Let's put that in brackets and say that's going to be the difference. How about now? Nice. Let's take the average, which is winner. Oh, okay. Winner rank plus loser rank times divided by 2. Okay, so apparently I think I need to do something. No. Oh no, it's okay. It's the comma. It's always the comma divided by 2. Okay, now it's fine. So now we take both of these results. It's the difference divided by the average times 100. So we take the difference divided by the average, put that in brackets, times 100 as offset percentage. Okay, let's now cast this as decimal. Oops. Okay, as offset percentage. Let's see how's the output. Oh, but how is this 116%? Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Kind of, I think. Okay, let's use that. What is that going to give us for 77 and 4? Okay, sure. So that's actually correct. But yeah, obviously, that's a big difference. So we are going above the 100% mark. Do I need just the results that are above 100%? Because I guess that's a big upset as well, but the percentage is only 53. Yeah, that's a big upset as well. Yeah, I'm confused. Okay, let me ask the AI here. I want to calculate the upset matches percentage tennis players using that formula, but I'm getting result. What is a big upset? Let me just give a small sample. Yeah, I guess like that. Okay. Also, it's a different formula. I get metric and scale sensitive. Yeah, thank you. I understand absolutely nothing from this. Can exceed 100% when difference is larger than the average. Doesn't reflect who was expected to win, which is essential. Also, okay. The emission reflects disparity, not outcome. Relative ranking, this but an upset. Yeah, I know what an upset is. Okay. A better definition depends on direct winner divided by loser. What's that? Okay. Prevents extreme inflation. How am I? Okay. Logarithm of 2, number and base. Okay, so I guess I only need the numbers since it's winner rank divided by loser rank. Let's try that one. Log winner rank divided by loser rank as upset percent. I guess should be times 100 as well. This and that. And cast here. Sure, but why does it work? What the fuck is a logarithm? Wait, let me just. What's logarithm? Math is fun. No, it is not. Mathematical function that determines the exponent, which a base number must be raised to produce a given number. Okay, sure. How does that find the upset? Okay, but I still have inflated results here. Okay, so I need a difference more than 30. How would I express that in percentage? Because this is actually like huge. This is still inflated and it's okay, but that's close to zero, so looks fine. Turns out we don't need these two. Let's run the query again. I can just take everything from 40 or 30% and above. Let's at the start of his career. No, that's calculated as 30, which is incorrect, and that's above 100%, which is still like, it's still pretty close. I know it's like 20 rank still, but I don't know. After some time, I realized I'm terrible at math, and also realized that winner rank is always going to be bigger than the difference because the smallest number of the loser rank will be 1. And so basically I just need the difference divided by the winner rank. I can multiply it by 100% and cast it as decimal. I mean, you can already see here the results. Cast it as decimal. And yeah, that should be it. Let's remove the limit. And we can say that the big upset, I think 40% and above, it's pretty good. Percentage is bigger than 40. That needs to be a string. What? Oh, because I need to actually cast that whole thing as a string before I can concatenate anything. I'm not sure why that is happening. Oh, okay, so now this needs to be casted as decimal, or what was it? Big number? No, double. Okay, I got it. As double. Could not convert string. Bro, okay, you know what? Let's just... No. What happened? What did I do? Okay, nice. Let's just remove that. Remove the cast to a string as well as the concatenation. Let's put that into a CTE percentage as this thing. And I can filter it right here. Upset. Okay. bigger than 40. And now select everything from percentage. Oh, not everything, because I can just take the winner, loser. Do I need the ranks? Is it going to be useful? Okay, let's just take them. Winner rank, loser rank, and the upset percentage. I'm going to cast it as a string, and now I can concatenate the percentage sign, concat, and just okay. As I think that's the thing. Percentage. No, which line? 15. What is wrong here? Is it that? Yeah, I think it's that. Okay, I think. Yeah, okay, got it. Above 40. Okay, that looks nice. I guess I can take that inside of a player versus player. Yeah, I think that's going to work out fine. Upset matches.sql. Paste that in. What was the command? Let's just let me activate the tennis pipeline. Okay. It's activate tennis pipeline. No. How to activate a conda environment? Conda activate, bro. Conda activate tennis, whatever. Let's go into the tennis analytics folder and dbt run. Okay. File already open. What do you mean file already open? Is it because of this? Yeah, I guess. But I ran the close the connection, man. Okay, let's restart. Whatever. Run again. Nice. And if I go back, wait, what was it? Streamlit main.py, I think. Streamlit run up. Wait, is that it? Streamlit run. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Now I can title upset matches. There is not going to be input for now. I think I'm going to leave it that way. And just I can let's actually yeah, exactly. Select everything from upset matches to date frame and display the date frame. How about now? Nice. Okay, I'm going to think about the filters. Came to my attention that I have a column named tournament level, basically. Yeah, there it is. So what that is basically what kind of match it was played. ATP match, Grand Slam, whatever else M is. Basically, I know that A stands for ATP match and G stands for Grand Slam. It would be a good idea if I went ahead and changed that, actually. I'll leave it for another video, but right now I can still add it here as a filter here on top. So now I will also need the tourney level here. Yeah, okay. Tourney level, and that's it. Wait, let's run it. Yeah, looks good. From percentage where tourney level equals G, for example. Yep, that's the Grand Slams. Here I set the upset percentage to be above 40, but that's just kind of dumb because it's better for the user to go and decide, I guess, which matches they want to see. So I'll just remove it and I can order it by descending upset percentage, descending, and it starts from the biggest upset for the Grand Slams, of course, and it goes down. That's a pretty good way to put it. So I'm going to remove the filter now. I'm going to copy paste this again, put it inside the dbt file. I'm gonna stop the DB session, then I'm going to cd into tennis analytics, yada yada, and dbt run. Nice. I can go back, what was it? Streamlit run main.py. Yep, okay, got it. And I'm already displaying those upset matches. It's actually pretty simple. I just read about like 5 minutes of Streamlit documentation, got the simplest example, and every data frame now uses it. So I'll need an input. It's going to be tournament level text input, select everything. Where, oh wait, it's, yeah, I guess, yeah, okay. Where tourney level equals, let's make it like, and that's the syntax that I found. No, actually, oh, I'm sorry, I just need the, yeah, like that. And when I save it, come back, reset, and I can do that. Yep. Maybe I can put a default like here. Label select box. No, wait a second. How to put a default value for that? How to put default value for input? I just let value, I guess. Okay, so first one is the label. Maybe I'll have to define it like so. Then I can value equals G for grand slams. Yeah, that just stays here. Okay, so I can make it as a drop down like that one because there is a fixed number of tournament levels, I guess. And how did I do it before? Let's see. Adjust the select box. Oh, let's do that. ST text input. It's just okay. Let's see how's that going to turn out. Oh, I'll need to launch the DB session again just so I can see. Okay, the setup is not perfect for sure. I have to work on that. I want to see select distinct turning level from STG matches. Okay, so that's basically it. OAMGD. Let's go here and oops, GD and F. That's it. I believe this should work. Let's run that again. Default value is the first value. Can I give it default value? This is select box. Yeah. Index. What do you mean index? First render. If none, we will initialize empty and return none until the user selects an option. Defaults to 0. The first option. I see. But how can I make it default to something else? I guess I can just give it another index, like index equals to 3, I guess. Oh yeah, okay, great. Great success. And yeah, I think that was it. No. Wait. Offset percentage bigger than placeholder. And the placeholder is going to be percentage equals st and input number input. Yeah, that should be fine. Number input. Okay, so I have minimum and maximum value. But that's for, is number integer or is it float? Number input. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, I can give it a format. So it should just be purely numeric and I can give it a format of my liking, I guess. Sure. Let's give it a label. Threshold percentage. Format is going to be just an F string. What is this card? That's a 1? I think it's a 1. Why would it be a 1? Oh, no. Okay. Let's see how that works. Put it inside of here. Percentage. Let's see how that look like. It looks like an error. I cannot compare values of type and type double. Cast is required. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's not going to be nice. I'll have to first remit trailing percentage from upset percentage and then I'll have to cast it as double. Cast as double. But just follow the same convention here to make it look beautiful. Alright, maybe this is going to work. Oh, it did. And if I say 50, okay, so the results are in how, if I want 80.53, oh, it's rounding it the first decimal. I see, but why? What if I do it like that? How is it going to round it the same? Well, what now? Did I save it? Yeah. You rounding it. What is happening? I don't want it to round it. On change, no. Placeholder, no. What? Is it just by default like that? And I don't have to format it at all? Oh yeah, okay. Very nice. Okay, now it works. Now it works. Good. I think that's it. Yeah. Looks pretty good to me. I can filter on tournament level and on percentages. Threshold percentage. Okay, let's fix that one though. I want it like that, and that's not correct. Okay, there we go.